just a little frustrated. But hey, borderline mom here. Welcome to Sweet and Sassy Saturday. Little bit of sweet, little bit of sassy. Now, I'm sorry, this is my second time trying to do this video. So, here it is. I was halfway through the video and then my computer just crashed, I think, or something. I don't know. And the video just went bye-bye. So, I am starting over. Now, I have started, here we have sweet and sour chicken. I'm sorry, not sweet and sour. I am making chicken and broccoli. Now, I remember everything I needed for it, so I'm going to explain how I did it first. So, we have, about pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds of diced up chicken breast here. Now, mix in with that is 1/3 a cup water. I have a touch of Hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of sherry cooking wine. So, and I pretty much mixed all that up into the pan with the chicken, and I just started cooking. So there's still some, liquid at the bottom here, but as you can see, the chicken is fully cooked. It's very gorgeous. I do love it. So, and then I have some rice in here cooking. Oy. Yay. 2 pounds of rice that I'm cooking right here. Well, sorry, not 2 pounds. 1 pound of rice. So, yay. I have a 24 ounce thing of broccoli. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the chicken now. And this part will be done. So, yay. So, yeah. Just like I thought, I do need a bigger pan. So, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. I'm going to get out my other large bowl. You stay. Good. So, yes, today I am doing a twofer video for you. So, my second thing here I am doing is what are called Wookie Ookies. Well, they're supposed to be called Wookie Ookies. They came from the Star Wars Christmas special, which kind of stunk. The Christmas special itself was not very good. A lot of us fans.
Agrees with you.
What?
George Lucas agrees with you.
Yeah. And I mean, that's including, George Lucas. So, yeah, it's, but, that's neither here nor there. And the Wookiees celebrate what is known as Life Day, and Wookie Ookies are their special treat for Life Day. I'm not sure how much longer, but Star Wars actually released 2 cookbooks. And in one of those cookbooks was the recipe for the Life Day Wookie Ookies. And, well, oh, shoot, I'm dropping chicken. I'm dropping chicken. Damn it. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Sorry. But, yeah, so, hey, oops. Um, and as soon as I got the cookbook, that it actually became one of our Christmas treats. So I make them every Christmas. Now, you start with, in here, we have 2.25 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And you want to be very, very careful with the cinnamon. You don't want to overpower it. I mean, you can put too much cinnamon in and it completely overpowers the cookies, and that's not very good. Did it once. Oopsie! But hey, it was fun. Okay, I'm just looking around again, and I don't know. Oh yes, and I am going to say, I am using them. I love them. My new baking set. I got these the bowls, and the bowls kind of came like one of the Russian dolls. So it's like I open up the big bowl, and then it's got a smaller bowl. Open up the smaller bowl, and it's got another smaller one, and then you get another one and another one, and so forth. And it's like, oh, that is so cute. I love it. Came with this great new whisk that I really love. It's not going to be breaking on me like the one I've got. It's like, oh, some wonderful, measuring spoons and measuring cups, which, oh, shoot, as you can see, I've been using. um, so I really, really love them. They're just so perfect. Now, in the big bowl here, I have 1 cup of applesauce. It says you're supposed to use softened. The recipe book actually calls for softened butter, but I have found that I like using applesauce instead. Well, it makes it just a little bit healthier in a way, and it makes it a bit more cake-like and a bit more fluffy. Then you have 1 cup packed brown sugar, 1 cup regular sugar, uh, granulated sugar. I use sugar in the raw because that's what I have at the moment. 1 cup. Sorry, not 1 cup. What else was it? Oh yeah, 2 eggs and vanilla extract. And then you just mix it all together here like this. And this is what I've got. And I'm just kind of, whisking it and stirring it. Now, the next part is to basically just combine your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. So, we're going to go ahead and do this. Oh, yeah, and the oven is preset, preheating at 375. So, I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in. And this is why we call them Wookie cookies. Because you got to have the strength of a Wookie, to mix everything. Typically. So, yeah. You want to get it nice and well mixed, you need the strength of a Wookie. Because the batter can get thick. And you want to mix it really well. You don't want any, pockets in there and so yes, I can just see this is but yes, I do love these. This is a nice holiday treat for us. Oh, now that I've got this, kind of mixed up, now we get to add another treat. Now, ooh, yes. what we need to do, okay, yeah, I've got this pretty much well mixed. The lumps are out. Now, it says you're supposed to add like 2 cups of two different types of chocolate chips. However, yeah, I think it's supposed to be semi-sweet and sweet chocolate chips, but what the hell? Ooh, there's a cat in the pan in the cabinets. Dang it. How'd they get in? Oh well. So I am adding 1 package of semi-sweet morsels. Okay. So yeah, we add that. Now I know James, likes dark chocolate for his, but I'm trying to save those. And the fact that I bake, I try to keep this stuff on hand. And the one thing that I love, I know James is gonna love with this, I have these mini M&M baking bits. I am gonna add this to them. So, and I mean, you can honestly add whatever you want, whatever kind of chips you want. You can add, dried fruit. Yeah. So, but I love, just adding little bits like this, just kind of to spruce them up a bit. And here, you stir it nice and well and get it all nice and well mixed. I love this. This is a holiday staple. It is not Christmas without Wookie cookies in this household.
Any cookie I eat is a Wookie.
Yes, because you're a Wookie. Oh yes, and just so everyone knows, the person I am always bantering back and forth with is George. Typically. Not my husband. He avoids cameras and he avoids speaking.
Unlike Jace.
Yeah. I still think he doesn't like me doing this, but this is my fun. This is what I do. I enjoy this. Now I'm trying to just get everything out of my whisk. Yeah, got stuck in my whisk. Get out of the whisk. There we go. There we go. Ha ha ha. Put that in there. And here, I'm going to use this. Where'd my pan go? Oh, here it is. Now, I like to use the little mini muffin pans because these things, they do expand, and I have a very hard time judging, how far apart I need them. So it's easier if I just put them in here. Where's my spray? Where's my spray? I'm going to go up, up, up. And as always, I coat everything with my baking spray, which comes from the Dollar Tree. So, and yes, I do purchase this. It is a baking staple. So, here's that. I'm going to push that to the back. I'm going to put that there so I can use it. I'm going to go ahead and move this over here. Now, with these, I always have to do it in like 2 or 3 batches because there's so much. But I just take a scoop and put a little bit in. I don't want to fill it all up because, as I said, they do expand quite a bit. So, and I just love making these. These are the cookies that we leave out for Santa. These are the cookies we have left out for Santa since I got the cookbook. And I mean, that's when when Avery was little. This is Avery's favorite cookie now. So he loves it when I bake these. So I'm going to have to, set some aside and send them to him. We don't know if he's going to be home for Christmas or not. So I'm kind of sad. But also with that, since I am just pretty much jabbering on, I am going to say this. I enjoy making my videos. Okay? I am doing this for me. I am doing this for my kids. This is a fun hobby for me. I'm not really making money. Yes, some of you are sending me gifts and cards and stuff. And for that, I am truly grateful. I appreciate it. And I really hope, those of you that, you're enjoying my videos. I am trying, I am trying, but not trying to please you. Okay? I can't make everybody happy. I'm not getting rid of my dumpster dive videos because those have been requested. I did one. A lot of you seem to really like it, so you know what? I'm going to keep doing it. So the food pantry, that's something I have to do. There's only one food pantry in my area that I can get to, unfortunately. So I go to it. My favorite food pantry closed down about a year ago. I really loved it. It was Mount Olive. They had some really nice stuff. I mean, they were a great food pantry. And I would always go and spend time with my mom. However, with them, it would be an all-day affair. It'd be like all morning affair, if not an all-day affair. Whew. Whoopsie. I forgot about something. Yeah. George, I'm sorry.
Huh?
I forgot that I had the brats in the oven.
These toasty?
Yeah.
Let me take a look at them.
I'm sorry. Now I'm going to put that there. It's third. Okay. And yet I am majorly scattered. This is what I'm talking about. The ADHD cleaning.
Give me a fork and a knife, please.
Yeah.
I'm going to see. Because I might not give a dang.
Alright. Let me try that one. I gotta wash forks and where did all the forks go again? My silverware's disappearing. It might be a little dead. I think it's dead. I think I killed it.
Yeah, it's black all the way through, so.
They're gone. I'm
Damn.
sorry.
Oh well, no big loss. I mean, we didn't pay for them, so.
Yeah.
The only thing black that I like is this little black cat.
Rocky?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like,
What, you gotta go potty? You wanna go outside?
yeah. Oops. Yeah. But, oops. Okay, well, dinner is almost done. It'll be about 10 minutes for the cookies, and that's about it. So these cookies do cook fast. Yeah, here we go. Oh, we have some nice fluffy white rice. Yay. Beautiful fluffy white rice. Good. And then our dinner is pretty much done, so I'm just waiting on the cookies right now. But I am getting to the point What?
No, no, no.
Oh, sorry.
I'm trying to figure something out. The Wizards of the Coast is doing something very, very interesting. For the new set that's coming out, they're reprints, but they're not.
Cards?
They will not be. Yeah, they will not be legal in standard. They will not be legal in modern. They are just reprints.
They're re-releasing cards without doing a reprint.
But with new arts.
Yeah.
Okay.
The Power 9.
Oh, wow.
And they are including Black Lotus.
Wow.
Does that mean the price is going to drop?
Possibly.
It could go up.
It could go up because it's an alternative art now.
Oof, yeah.
And
And Magic players are stupid about that.
Yeah.
And add on top of that, you gotta realize in events, if the card is in the pack, you are allowed to use it. So in a draft, you can't use that Black Lotus.
All right, yeah.
Or you're supposed to be able to because it's part of the pack.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm waiting on cookies to cook. I'm going to be getting the kids in a little bit. Get them in here to eat. I'm going to explain something really quick, okay? This is kitchen clutter. It's not filth. It is not dirt. It is kitchen clutter that I cannot get rid of. Okay? I am not allowed to get rid of any of this. Okay? This is my mom's. My mom has 2 jars of the pickled peppers. We don't have anywhere else to put it. This is where we keep them. Okay? From here, here, back, that's all my, that's like spatulas, wooden spoons,
odds are, I guess they're poisonous.
the regular spoons, there's some knives, that's all my cooking utensils back up in there. That is all my mom's cooking utensils. I cannot get rid of them. All this here, this is, kitchen clutter. I've got spices, I've got my meds, so I remember to take them. There's some stuff that we're hiding, like, the kitty there. We don't want the kids to see it. There's, hold on, here. There's dark chocolate sauce, cinnamon. Like I said, there's, some sauces. We got, like, honey mustard and barbecue. Those are my daughters. Candace loves to bring those home and keep them. That's my mom's elderberry back there. This is stuff that I can't really get rid of. Well, except for this, but then I don't want to because this is my, this is the baby's utensils other than, the knife. So I like to keep, baby utensils right there where I can easily just grab them if I need them. All that up there, that is pretty much my mom's stuff. Other than the Rainbow Dash. Rainbow Dash is mine.
If it's able to be printed, it confirms.
So, hey, the kitchen is cluttery, but it's not my clutter. It's not clutter that I can get rid of. So, what do you want me to do about it? I have ADHD when it comes to cleaning. Okay, I will sit here. I will wash. A sink full of dishes, have them all up here drying. Then I will go take a load of laundry out. Go put it on this. Put the dry laundry on the sofa so that I can, fold it and match it, all that. And that's after I've got everything switched over. New load started, dryer going. Every 2 to 3 hours, I have to stop to take my mom's dog out for a walk because my mom is not here because she is either working or running errands or visiting family or doing whatever. So yes, when it comes to cats, I personally have 2. I have Fire, which is a therapy cat I have had for 6 years. She is an emotional support animal. Okay. And then I have Binks. Binks is more of a barn cat. You don't see him. He's just wherever gone. I don't know.
He's terrified of Binks.
Binks is terrified of himself. I don't know. Then there are Karen's cats. Why is the door open?
I
Which door?
The front door.
don't know. Well,
Sorry about that. That is taken care of now. Now, Baby is Karen's therapy cat. She is an emotional support animal. Then Karen adopted Callie the same time I adopted Binks. Binks and Callie had 4 kittens, 2 we lost,
the 2 big purple ones are very slowly moving.
and the other 2 survived, which is Star and Snow.
But they're slow.
So they are about the same age as Hunter.
Yeah.
I will shoot
About.
at one of them.
Okay.
So
And hold.
now the rest of
I'll
the
hold off the
cats
fire
that you see all around,
to whether or not
those are
it's
actually
whatever, you know?
Candace's,
So, first one.
not
Is
mine.
it 25 to hit?
Yes.
I may call them mine, but they are Candace's. And thus, when
27 damage?
I leave,
Yeah.
they're not coming with me. They're staying with Candace,
And I'm
who my mom has guardianship of. It is my mother and I came to a mutual decision that, the children, that Avery and Candace would flourish better in Goochland. So they lived with her. She has the guardianship to get them into the better schools. So, yay. So, yeah. There's that with the cats. Just saying. Karen does financially take care of her cats still. So yeah, I do love them. I do love all the cats because I am an animal person. I am sorry. I prefer animals over people. I ain't gonna lie. Give me a cat any day. Now, those smell so nice. Now I'm gonna poke one, see if it's done. And oh, look at that! They are done. My the first batch of Wookie cookies are done. Huh?
You said it smells like cinnamon rolls.
Oh yes, I'm making Wookie cookies. What are the Wookie cookies supposed to smell like?
Wookiees.
Okay.
I mean, they are made from real Wookie, right?
I wish.
I want them like I want my Girl Scout cookies.
Yeah. But you see, they are so
All natural Girl Scouts.
yeah.
Alright, and then
But they are lovely. And I know the kids love these as a treat.
So it gains broken condition and its missed fire value increases by
I will say
4
this now.
unless the wielder has gun training with a particular weapon.
I'm gonna get a bit sassy. You have my sweet.
By 2 instead.
And now I'm going to get just a little bit sassy right now, okay? I seem to have some of you who like to feed
However,
the negative comments in my head. Well, I should say the negative voices in my head. Okay?
It misses.
Alright, if I
Even
misfire,
if you would hit.
I
If I
have
misfire
I have
again,
clinical depression,
the gun explodes.
and I have borderline personality disorder. Hence, I am borderline mom. Borderline personality disorder mom is a bit too long. And if I just do BPD mom, people aren't really going to understand that much. But I am borderline mom because I have borderline personality.
GM rules, no, there's no explosions. It just kind of clacks
So,
on its head.
with that being said, you want to criticize my parenting?
And not
Kiss
fire
it.
again, or can I still fire?
You can keep because right
You
now
can get on me all you want, but
Okay.
kiss
So
it.
that one bullet is.
I am not a super
done.
mom.
Alright.
I have
will
to.
shoot
I
again.
have
And
mental
this is a
illness
+14
days.
navigate.
I have days
With a roll of
where
720.
it'll
Now,
just
if
it
you-
takes
if you
everything
fail
just
again
for me to
like
get
that,
out of bed.
And it, like the chamber falls out. Yeah,
Okay?
you can't
I'm
fight.
not a perfect
Yeah.
mom.
But
I'm
a
not
20
gonna be a perfect mom.
That'll hit.
and
I do the best I have
minimum of 23
with
damage.
what is available to me. Okay? This is not my house. I can't go replace anything in it. I'm not allowed to toss things out. They're not mine. I don't want to get in trouble. Okay, my mom's already gone on one hissy fit because some of her pictures and some of her knickknacks, got messed up.
Which odds are were the cats that live here.
Yeah, which were technically her cats. Or Candace's
Well,
cats.
technically
Hence,
it's the
hers.
kittens that were from the cats that they brought.
So, yes, it's,
Those are the
hey,
ones that have done the most.
Yeah, but the point is, it's
Yeah.
Candace's problem.
It's,
And
I am
we're the
sorry.
ones getting yelled
being
at for it.
blamed for her.
It's not our
It's-
fucking cats.
Okay, I am taking care of a dog that is not mine. I am taking care of at least 8 cats that are not mine. I am finding homes for them. I am the one actively trying to find homes for the cats. So,
Candace
yes.
needs to get on doing.
I have a lot on my plate. I
Alright,
do a lot.
It's still up.
If I do
Like I
not
said,
do enough for
technically after that,
you,
it's initiative.
I have a nice little badonkadonk
You're fast enough that
you can
fast.
kiss.
Alright.
And if I keep
I
getting
will use my rapid release.
comments
Okay.
Alright, I will fire once at the one that's
that want to,
standing.
where you want to make me feel shitty, I will block you.
There was only 2
I have no problem
So,
doing
And I
that.
will shoot 2 times at the
You
one.
want to judge me.
Because you said there was 2 of them, right?
Yes.
First, walk in my shoes.
And Olivia decided
Oh, right.
to whip the one that you had
And
chosen.
of course, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get,
Not quite.
some attack
Oh,
for this.
wow.
But let the one with no sin
Lots of
cast the
fire
first
errors
stone.
now.
I know I'm not
Some things
perfect.
should probably stay
I'm not going to
separate.
go to someone else's channel
I
and,
forgot
berate
Even though
them
my weapon is
and
the
judge
magic
them
weapon,
and
but
tell them
also
how
the
they need
magic
to live their
weapons
life
and
and
the
what they
magic
need to do.
weapons. So I was looking at the crit range of Keen Sword.
Okay.
Shit.
Yeah, I have to take improved crit
I mean,
range
I'm sorry. There's
on the weapon.
Yeah.
But even at that,
But it is a 1920.
okay.
yeah, not yet.
So that will make it.
Do not tell me how to
But,
parent.
I mean, at the same time,
Do not
it's
tell me
more
what I
than hit
should
the other thing.
or shouldn't.
Most
do.
of them have been, so it's not that big a deal.
This is a 30 something to hit, so that hits.
That hits, it's dead.
And I am
Second-
going to leave it
the
at
second
that.
one?
Oh, no.
Yeah, no,
right.
the other one's already dead. And then this is a plus 14 to hit,
Okay.
and that's a 29.
My children are not
It's
abused.
definitely dead. It can't survive
They are not
shots and
neglected.
minimum damage.
The other one did.
They know they are
And my
loved.
minimum damage right now
I
is
spend
1.5.
time with them. Yes, I may have,
The other one
my house may
survived
be a
2
little
shots.
dirty. It may be a little
Yeah,
cluttered.
Minus one then.
However, we do have
Like,
1,
I didn't
2,
hear
3,
the damage for one.
4
Yeah, 'cause
grown-ass
Two shots,
adults
it was a
I only
hit, a
had 23
malfunction.
damage.
It was a hit,
and a
malfunction,
teenager
and
living in the house.
I only got to 23 damage off the last one.
Yeah,
So,
and then she hit it.
Otherwise,
and
it would
out of
have
those
gone altogether.
4 adults,
24 and
one cleans.
Dead.
So, yeah. We've
Alright,
got
what's next?
2 that are hardly ever
I guess
home
we'll search around in K5.
and, just bring in the money
Yeah.
and pay the bills.
Well, everything that was moving.
Actually, first I'm gonna take the time and I'm gonna make a craft check.
Then you have, the poor stroke victim who is still trying to get
It's
his
a
life
32
back in
for
order.
my gun.
He still doesn't have the use of, still barely has use of one arm.
I don't know,
Do what?
32 to repair my gun.
So he requires some extra care at times.
The walkway-
Plus, you've got the kids, and yes, I am sorry if you don't like my kids being just a little bit rowdy. I'm sorry. You don't like it if, I smack Hunter when he screams. I'm not going to duct tape his mouth. And there's really no way I can go shh until my face turns blue.
Alright, well.
And it's not going to work. He's still going to run around and scream.
Nothing really too much here.
So?
We'll go back out towards K6.
I can't win for losing with some of you. So, I am going to do my thing. If you don't like my channel, you can leave. This is my channel, not yours. Mine. Mine. But it is now time for me to fix dinner. And unfortunately, we are out of paper plates at the moment, so I'm going to have to get bowls. You know what? Here, we'll do it this way. I am sorry, this is going to get a little loud. I am using my dinner bell. Pavlov would be proud. Get a bowl, bring it over. Get a bowl, bring it over. Thank you. Back to your butt. What? What? I need a bigger spoon. What? Where?
I don't need him. Yeah, Mom, I don't need him.
Yes. No, not the school.
Mom, were you doing a video?
Yes, I am doing a video. Will you get your out?
Oh, teriyaki.
A little bit of extra.